Hey, how's it going? Joseph Gantert, Realty Mark. You're watching How's the Market, and today's topic is my house didn't sell. Really? So in 3 decades plus, it does happen, right? I've seen it happen to people, and not all popcorn pops while you're making your popcorn, but there's usually a good reason why. So rather than get into speculation, what I do know is with me and my programs, I have a 22-page PDF free report with seven solid topics that I go through with all my sellers before they put the house up, and boom, house is sold. Okay, so we'll dive into that in a second. Meanwhile, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Got a fresh video, comes out every week. Stay in touch with all things real estate, and that's what my page is all about. So let's dive into some of the topics in my report to help you relist your property. And also, if you're thinking of buying right now, we can save you thousands. I can get you into a property with some of the programs that are out there right now for $1,000. It goes up to $484,600 is the loan amount. We'll get you seller assistance, get you lender down payment assistance, and can get you in for $1,000 as well. But don't forget, hit the subscribe button and follow along. Stay up to date. All things real estate, that's what my page is about. And let's dive in right now. Check it out. Okay, so here we are. So check this out. Let's dive into what we got going on here. Here is my guaranteed program for you as a seller. Check this out. So this is my PDF program, and it saved thousands, avoid costly mistakes, but there's 22 pages in here. By the way, I was on Fox News during the pandemic when they were showing you how pioneers like myself were selling homes with virtual tours, but that's a whole other story for another day. But right here, you go through this, and it talks about different topics. Here's a testimonial from Heidi. This guy has been the best real estate agent anyone could ever ask for. So we got a whole load of testimonials in here, but I won't bore you with that. But basically, this program shows you what our interests are. We want to get you the highest possible price in the shortest period of time with the most favorable terms, right? But we're going to get into the 4 Ps. A lot of people just think that you put a sign in the yard, put an ad in the paper, put it in the MLS, pray that it will sell. Well, number one, nobody really puts ads in the paper anymore, right? But and some people do, these little things that are out there, but mostly it's all done on social media, right? But I have level service, reputation, seller expectations, selling quickly at a high price. And here's all the things I'm going to do for you. Handle the details of the work, stay in touch with you, help maintain the property, and to show you consideration, because I know that you're living in the home, we're going to set up a time frame that makes it easy for everyone to get in and out. We'll talk about the pros and cons and process of selling as well. But in here, you're going to see all the different media and reels and everything I have. But I have a 7-point checklist that you need to see to go through before you list. And once you go through that 7-point checklist in my booklet here, you'll determine that, wow, we are so glad we went through this. Now, I don't really highlight it in here right now for you on this video. Let's face it, the competition will steal my information, but this is a 7-point process before you list the house, put it up for sale. It'll all work out. 32 years experience I have. Put me in your corner today. Okay, so there you have it. There's my guarantee program. It's a 22-page PDF. It's yours for the taking. It's free. Click the link. Also, email me directly. There, it'll take you to LinkedIn. It'll take you to my Facebook page as well. But DM me. I'll get it out, a copy to you. And don't forget, hit subscribe. Stay up to date for all things real estate. You're watching How's the Market. Joseph Gantert, Realty Mark, 32 years experience. Let's get together. You'll be glad you did.